Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Spotify songs for offline use. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to download songs from Spotify here and maybe listen to them later on, well, this one is kind of easy, but there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, first, in order for you to download songs, you first need to create your own playlist. Now, typically at the bottom right, you should see the create button. You could go and click on playlist. Now, by the way, you could go and skip this part if you already have a playlist that you want to download. But in our case, let's go and click on playlist, and let's go and just add a name for it. Let's go and click on create. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and start adding songs. Now, there are going to be recommended songs here that you could use. So, for example, let's go add a bunch of songs here. But if you want to add a song that is not yet in the recommended, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just select one of the songs here. Let's go and select this one real quickly. But let's go and just play the ad real quickly here. Now, here in the song, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just add this by clicking on the plus button. So let's go and just add this into our playlist. Let's go and choose download. And once you've done that, let's go and just exit this one. Let's go and click on your library. And you want to go and access the download folder or the playlist that we just created. Now at the left side, you should see a download button. So in this case, this is the one. So you can go and click on it and this will automatically download all the songs. But in order for you to use this feature, this is actually locked behind Spotify Premium. So if you already have Spotify Premium, you don't have to worry about it. But yeah. So another way for you to access that is by clicking on the three dotted icon at the top left here next to the share button, and you should see the download button as well, and that should download the playlist as well. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.